Hey there! Welcome back to the Pure English channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating piece of Earth's history, the times when life almost disappeared. Yes, that's right. Earth has gone through 5 mass extinction events, and yet, here we are. In this video, you'll learn about these massive changes, and at the same time, practice your English using the shadowing method. But first, let me quickly explain what shadowing is. You listen to an audio and repeat out loud, trying to copy the rhythm, the tone, and the way the person speaks. And the best part, you can practice with any kind of content. Are you ready? Let's dive into Earth's mass extinction events and learn English with real science. Quick reminder. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet. So, what exactly is a mass extinction? A mass extinction is when a huge number of species, plants, animals, even microscopic life, disappears from Earth in a very short amount of time. Sometimes it takes thousands of years, but in geological terms, that's a blink of an eye. There have been 5 of these events so far, and each one changed the planet forever. Let's explore them one by one. 1. Ordovician-Silurian extinction. Around 443 million years ago, a rapid ice age plunged Earth into a deep freeze. Intense glaciation was the sudden drop in global temperature that led to the formation of massive ice sheets. Glaciers locked up enormous volumes of seawater, causing sea levels to fall by up to 100 meters. The drop in sea level, when a significant portion of the world's water became trapped in ice, drastically reduced the shallow marine habitats where most sea creatures lived. This event caused the loss of about 85% of marine species, including many trilobites and brachiopods that once thrived on shallow continental shelves. 2. Late Devonian extinction. Between 372 and 360 million years ago, prolonged volcanic activity contributed to gas and ash emissions that altered ocean chemistry. At the same time, the expansion of land plants increased erosion and dumped excess nutrients into the seas, leading to eutrophication and algal blooms that worsened oxygen depletion. These factors triggered ocean anoxia. Persistently low oxygen levels created extensive dead zones. Reef ecosystems collapsed, wiping out up to 75% of all species, including armored fishes such as placoderms. 3. Permian-Triassic extinction. About 252 million years ago, Earth experienced its most catastrophic crisis. Often called the Great Dying, this event combined extreme heat, widespread anoxia, and ocean acidification to obliterate roughly 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial species. The culprit, enormous eruptions in the Siberian traps, released massive volumes of carbon dioxide and methane, raising global temperatures by as much as 10 degrees Celsius. Absorption of CO2 by the ocean's acidified seawater, devastating calcifying organisms. For a time, Earth was nearly lifeless. This extinction ultimately paved the way for the rise of modern vertebrate lineages. 4. Triassic-Jurassic extinction. At around 201 million years ago, massive volcanic pulses in the central Atlantic magmatic province camp again destabilized the climate. Huge emissions of CO2 and sulfur dioxide drove global warming and acid rain. Rapid swings between wet and dry conditions disrupted both terrestrial and marine habitats, wiping out about 80% of species and clearing ecological niches for dinosaurs like Allosaurus and early mammals. 5. Cretaceous-Speleogene extinction. The Cretaceous-Speleogene extinction, 66 million years ago, was triggered by the famous Chicxulub asteroid impact in present-day Mexico. An object over 10 kilometers wide struck Earth at roughly 20 kilometers per second. The impact generated massive earthquakes, global wildfires, and tsunamis. A vast dust and aerosol cloud blocked sunlight, collapsing photosynthesis in plants and plankton and impact winter. About 75% of all species went extinct, including all non-avian dinosaurs. P.S. Volcanism from the Deccan Traps in India, occurring before and after the impact, may have compounded environmental stress through additional toxic gas emissions and climate effects. So, what do we learn from this? Earth is not a stable place. It changes, it evolves, it resets. Each extinction was a disaster, but also a new beginning. Life adapts. It finds new ways to grow. And you're adapting too, by learning a new language. Now, go back and repeat this video as many times as needed. Shadowing works best when you repeat aloud and stay consistent. Every time you do it, your brain gets faster, and your English gets better. And if you like this kind of content, you know what to do. Give it a like, leave a comment with your topic suggestions, share it, save the video, and come practice with me in the next one. And remember, what feels hard today will feel natural tomorrow. Just keep going. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun and useful English lessons. Learning English is not just about words, it's about communication. Mistakes happen, but that's okay. Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy the journey. See you in the next video.